Hello, why do we need a transmission system in a vehicle? What are the characteristics of an electric truck transmission? Today we are going to discuss about the differences between electric truck transmission and normal IC engine truck transmission. A conventional truck has 18-speed transmission, but an electric truck does not have 18-speed transmission. Most of the electric trucks that have been manufactured has 2, 3 or 4-speed transmission systems. The transmission system in an electric truck differs from that in a conventional truck. We will discuss the differences soon in this video. A conventional diesel engine has very narrow peak torque region and it cannot be operated very efficiently in all the operating points. The engine will have an idle speed. It cannot be operated below that speed. It will stall if we try to operate below that speed. For example, a diesel engine cannot be operated at 1 rpm. To operate the vehicles at wide speed range, we require multi-speed transmission in a vehicle. Now let's check out what are the characteristics of electric truck transmission. As far as electric motors are concerned, they can be operated at wide speed range. For example, an electric motor can be operated from 0 rpm to several thousand rpm. The torque speed characteristics of electric motor is most suitable for electric traction. It avoids the use of multi-speed transmission in electric vehicles. An electric motor can provide very high torque at low speed also. That is not possible in IC engine. One of the desired characteristics of any transmission system is that it should be smooth and efficient. In an electric vehicle, the motor itself can operate at a wide range of speed torque region. Since the truck has to have very high torque at the starting, a 2-speed transmission is used in an electric truck. One for the starting and other for cruising. While a diesel truck shifts gear at 10, 20 and 30 miles per hour, an electric truck shifts the gear once and provides the same performance more efficiently. What are the characteristics of electric truck transmission system? The main characteristics of electric truck transmission is the reduced number of gear ratios. As we mentioned earlier, a conventional truck has an 18-speed transmission system, whereas an electric truck has only 2, 3 or 4-speed transmission. Another notable difference between electric truck transmission and IC engine truck transmission is the absence of a specific reverse gear. An electric motor can rotate in the reverse direction as well with the proper control signals. The vehicle could move backward on the same transmission gears that use for forward movement. Only the direction of motor rotation changes here. The absence of slipping clutch system is another advantage of electric truck transmission system. It results in high durable transmission system in electric trucks. As far as the truck drivers are concerned, the electric truck experience would be a little bit different than that of conventional trucks. Let's conclude. Electric trucks have a large potential to reduce environmental pollution by use of the electric powered motor in the powertrain. A notable difference between conventional truck and electric truck is the transmission system. The 18-speed transmission in the conventional truck would be replaced with 2, 3 or 4-speed transmission in electric trucks. If you like this video, please tap the like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I publish another interesting video about electric vehicle.